Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our second class of the semester. Now, we had met yesterday and we had discussed about what all topics we will be discussing in this semester. And we have seen that we will be discussing on environmental pollution. One of the topics of discussion is environmental pollution. Now, you had also suggested that rather than coming together on a common platform for a Google or for a Meet like Google Meet or any other meeting platform, it will be you suggested that it will be better if I upload a video on whatever we have to discuss, and then you will go through the video, do the works assigned, and then come on a specific day. We'll come together and have a discussion on it. And in the meanwhile, if you have any doubts regarding the topics, you can always contact me. Now, today we shall start with environmental pollution. You are very much familiar with the effects of environmental pollution, causes of environmental pollution, types of environmental pollution, etc. And here in this picture, you can see few effects of environmental pollution. Not a good sight first thing in the morning, but still, this is the fact. You have to you must know that this happens. This is what's happening now. So even though it's a bad sight, this is quite thought-provoking. We must know how are we going to control all these. How can we purify our Mother Nature? How can we give this nature, Mother Nature or this earth, in the maximum pure form to the coming generations? We are not the owners of this, isn't it? So all these we shall be discussing in our topic on environmental pollution. What are the sources? What are the types? More of it we'll be discussing on how can we control environmental pollution, and also what are the effects on environmental pollution, Now, first thing what we shall discuss will be on air pollution. Now, air pollution, is one of the types of environmental pollution. You're familiar with it, the sources of air pollution, that is the pollutants which create air pollution, the control of air pollution, how can we control air pollution, what are the effects of air pollution, etc., etc. What are the types of pollutants, etc. We will be discussing in detail about all these. Now, before we go in depth into the air pollution, what you have to do is create a small video, maybe of a video of 5 to 10 minutes duration, a small video on air pollution. Alright, the major content required in that video are, you must have the major air pollutants. What are the air pollutants present? Or what are the air pollutants which cause air pollution? Then you must include in that sources of air pollution. What are the major sources of air pollution? Automobiles are there, industries are there, many more things are there. Okay, so your video must have this also. Then what you must have in your video is effects of air pollution. What are the effects of air pollution? And then what are the control measures of air pollution? Remember, you're going to make a small video of 5 to 10 minutes, which includes all these. So you may be knowing you need not go in depth into each type, but then all these must be touched upon. Okay, you have a lot of materials online. You can go for that. And by next week, that is by Monday, that is on 8th, I feel. Monday will be 8th, I suppose so. So on Monday, you have to come up with this video before we have our we have our class at 8:30 on Monday. Before that, before 8:30 on Monday, you have to come up with the videos. Get ready with the videos. By today evening or by tomorrow, I shall let you know where you have to upload your video. Okay, so you can upload that video in a common platform. All of you can upload your videos. Now it's up to you whether you want to make it public through YouTube or any other public channel. No problem, but still, to make a record for us, you have to upload that video in a particular platform, which I say also. Alright, so that will be the work for today. You can take your time, relax, be patient and do it well. You know various video editing softwares. You'll be more familiar than me, so you can do it very easily, I'm sure. Okay, so that is the work for this day and for this week. We shall discuss on the videos on Monday. And in between, if ever you have any doubts or any clarifications needed, please feel free to contact me. I'll be always available for you. Alright, so until then, bye for today. Thank you.